Hello everyone, I'm Vessel, and I guess I took part in this workshop which was held by Dr. Tom Godfrey. It was fantastic, it was absolutely amazing. And I suggest that all of you just take part in these kinds of workshops because these workshops will stand you in good stead and help you very much. I wish you all the best. It was absolutely fantastic. Every single thing that was done here helped me very much indeed to learn different sorts of techniques, strategies in order to be a better teacher, a better trainer. And it also helps you upskill your communication skills and your soft skills. Wish you the best.